From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a jarring alarm that completely disrupts your sleep? I've got a game changer for you, the digital alarm clock charging curved large LED from Geldi. This thing is a total sleep lifesaver, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its sleek appearance LED display, it's not only visually appealing but also super easy to read from across the room. One of the things I love about this clock is its low power consumption, which means you don't need to worry about it running out of juice in the middle of the night, and the best part, no external power supply is required, making it totally portable. This alarm clock has a noise-free design, which is a total blessing for light sleepers like me. It's so quiet you won't even notice it's on until the alarm goes off, and when it does, the sound is gentle and gradual, waking you up feeling refreshed and relaxed. The memory function is also a nice touch, so even if the power goes out, your settings will still be saved, no need to reset everything. I've been using this clock for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a total sleep changer. I wake up feeling more rested and alert, and I'm not the only one. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The 3-period setting feature is also super useful, allowing you to set different alarms for different days of the week, which is perfect for those of us with non-traditional schedules. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who values a good night's sleep, this alarm clock is a must-have. It's easy to use, portable, and gentle, making it the perfect addition to any bedroom. So if you're in the market for a new alarm clock, I definitely recommend giving the digital alarm clock as always. Links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.